Soundstripe.
Hey YouTube, it's me, Paulie C. Welcome back to the channel, and today we are going to install and review a dash cam from REDTIGER. Let's take it out of the package. Very nice package, actually. All right. There's quite a bit of stuff here, so we're going to put it aside. All right, first of all, we got the dash cam itself. There's the unit there. We got some sticky things there. That's for the reverse camera. It's for the front camera and pretty much everything that you plug into. The suction cup. And they even give you a pry device. So that's what we have for this setup. Alright, the next thing that we're going to do is attach the camera to the suction cup. So there's those two pieces. All you have to do is slide it in. And there you go. Yeah, before you start, you want to download the app, and the instructions are in the QR code too. So do that before you start anything. Okay, so then you want to choose a spot that you want to put it in. I'm going to use the passenger side. It's out of the way. And firmly stick it on. There you go. The next thing you want to do is install the wires and hide them. All right, now's the time to test out the hardware. So we're going to plug it in and see if it works. So we got the front of the camera. Yeah, it looks like the unit's coming on now. There we go. This is the rear. Oh, yeah, it works. All right, next you're gonna feed it through the headliner. All you have to do is lift this up and feed it through here, and I'm gonna go down. And basically, you're gonna bring it around and bring it up through there. All right, for the rear, you're gonna want to fish the wire through all these little crevices and make yourself right to the back. It's not hard. It seems hard, but it's not. All right, remember to use this tool here, and it does help when you're getting into sections like this. All the way around. Yeah, so pretty much what you're doing is just fishing the line right through all these areas. All right, so as we're moving through the back, you can see all you gotta do is lift this up and just feed it through the rest of the car. It's so easy. You're probably gonna want to go up to here and to the back window. This one's so much easier than my other tracks. So you just feed along the line and you're pretty much going to bring it up so you can stick it onto the window. All right, so we got through the back, so it's like pretty simple. You're just going to feed it right through. To the center, and then we'll mount it up. All right, so when you finally get everything installed, first I thought this thing wasn't sticking, but you gotta twist this when you put the suction cup on so it sticks, and that's what, there you go. All right guys, now that we have the camera installed, we're gonna check out the features. So to the left of the unit, you can turn it off and on, and you can change the camera around to it the way you like it. You got the speed and you got the direction there, and it's off again. All right, so on the right side, there's in the middle button, there's a menu button, and you got all the selections that you want. Again, this is touchscreen too, so. All right, we're gonna go into the menu a little bit more. This being touchscreen, it's so easy to navigate through, even with these side buttons. So you got your video, your playback, and your settings. For resolution, I'm gonna do the best. For audio, I'm gonna have it off. Date stamp on. Loop, I'm gonna do for 1 minute because downloading will be a lot easier and a lot less time. I don't think you need to go over a minute. G sensor, let's go, we're gonna leave it at medium there. Fatigue driving, I don't know, let's put it for 2 hours. Speed on, GPS stamp on. Yeah, so that's pretty much all the settings. Playback. Let's see here. Just keep it normal. Yeah, and that's pretty much the settings on this. It's very simple, and like I say, with the touch screen, it's amazing. It's not slow at all. It's very responsive. You're gonna like this one if you buy it. All right, so if we scroll down, we even got more here. So something I didn't realize: speed units, GPS, and oh wow, there's so much stuff here. Rear cam flip, mirror flip. Yeah, and here's where you fix up all your date, your time, and everything. Time zone, which I'll do later. Yeah, it's crazy how many how many different settings there are on this. Oops. Time format, language, Wi-Fi. Turn that on. Yeah, there's so much, but it's pretty easy to operate. So and it's got a user manual. I'm going to leave some video how-tos down from other users. Yeah, I'll leave some links down in the description from other how-tos from other users and the company itself. That'll really help. It's not hard at all. Just go through the settings, and you'll be done. All right, guys, this is the part of the video where we go to Amazon and check out the product, price, and the details. First off, here's the details on it. It's a 4K dash cam, of course, front and rear. 3.18 inches. A great thing about this deal that I got, it gives you a 64 gig card. That doesn't always come included with these. As you can see, the price here is about 200 bucks. I paid, I'm gonna say, I think it was 160 plus taxes and all that stuff, free delivery on a lightning sale. So I pretty much got a really good deal on this. I still think $200 is a great deal for this touch screen dash cam. And you can see all the details here. If you want to pause the video to read it, that's up to you. I'm going to leave the links in the description below for you guys to check it out. So if you want to do that, that's great. Alright guys, so that's pretty much it. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe, comment, and we'll see you in the next video. Have a good one and stay safe.